Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well today. So in today's video, we are doing a review on this headband wig. I wasn't expecting this, okay? I didn't know this wig was like this because the picture looked totally different from this, okay? So I was expecting something different, but I like it. I do. So this is a synthetic headband wig. It's not human hair, okay? But I didn't know if this was synthetic. I had to go check just to make sure because, girl, it's not shiny. It looks like human hair, but it's not. But you could get away with it. It looks good. And I'm not sure if it's gonna tangle or anything. I didn't get any tangle. I did get a little shedding. That's about it, but I really love it. So this here was sent to me from a seller on Amazon, a deep wave headband wig, and it's 24-inch. It's synthetic hair, 150 density and natural black. Now, if you look at the picture of the model, I thought that was the wig I was getting, but the wig looked totally different. It really don't look the same. The curls look totally different. Her curls look a little bit more tighter. On the mannequin, I could tell that is the wig I'm wearing. I'm happy that this company put the mannequin on the side because this is the hair that I got. Now, when it came up from the box, I was like, wow, it looks a little shiny before I open it out, but now it looks fine. I like the way it looks. It's just, it looks really nice and it's very, very thick. All I did is just use my fingers to open up the curls, and then I use my comb in the front. That's about it. So this headband wig is big head friendly, so it's good for our big girl heads. This is a lot of hair, okay? I would not wear this hair in the summertime. No, I like it. It looks really pretty, very thick. I like this synthetic hair. If you know how to take care of synthetic hair, this is gonna last you for a while. I love the curl pattern. I was shocked. I wasn't expecting it to look like this. And as you guys see on me, like, it looks really, really nice. In the video, you guys gonna see what I did to this wig. I just wanna come real quick and show you guys this wig. I recommend it if you know how to take care of synthetic hair. I'm not getting no tangles so far. Nice, right? And it's a lot of hair, girl. This is 24-inch, really a lot of hair. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this wig. What do you think about the texture of the wig? What do you think about the color? Do you think it looks like synthetic? It's not shiny. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera, but in real life, it's not shiny. It's a short video just to show you guys how I did this. Very simple. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family if you guys liking my wig videos. It really helped this channel to grow. Also, to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. I hope you guys stick around. And to my OGs, thank you, girl. And everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed down below. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.